if sin theta plus sin square theta equal to 1, then cos square theta plus cos power 4 theta equal to sin theta plus sin square theta equal to 1, then cos square theta plus cos power 4 theta. The options are -1, 0, 1 and 2. Correct option is C. From the given condition, sin theta plus sin square theta equal to 1. So, sin theta equal to 1 minus sin square theta, that is equal to cos square theta. Okay. Substitute this condition here, cos square theta, where cos square theta equal to sin theta. If you substitute here cos square theta equal to sin theta plus cos power 4 theta. If you square this value, if you square this cos square theta, that becomes cos power 4, this becomes sin square theta. As for the given condition, sin theta plus sin square theta equal to 1. Therefore, the value of this expression equal to 1. Value of this expression equal to 1. Option C is correct. These are all the standard questions. So, you can if you spend a repeated revision, please do not forget this answer, because in exam you can easily attempt this question without solving these things.